Hello, welcome AP Chemistry students at FHS. Here I want to work on this little intermolecular forces activity, May the Force Be With You. And in this activity, the page 1 is kind of a prediction page, and then page 2 asks you to do design a lab, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to design the lab and give you the results right now so it can help you with the rest of the packet, okay? So if we look down at this part here, they ask you to design a lab with how fast compounds can evaporate. An evaporating rate is part of intermolecular forces, just like boiling point and viscosity and other things we discovered in class, okay? And so for this lab, we have the most basic lab ever. I'm literally going to put 1 drop of chemical onto the countertop and just time how long it takes to evaporate. So if I zoom out here, so here I have some acetone, right? And literally I'm just going to use 1 drop of this, put it on the countertop, and time how long it takes to evaporate. Now I'm not sure how well you're going to see this, and we'll do this with each of the chemicals here, right? So I want to put 1 drop of water or 1 drop of acid. Boom, there it is. And I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. There's a little circle, and the timer's going. All right. And I don't know if I zoom in, can you see this? Okay. And we can time how long it takes to evaporate. It is like worse than watching paint dry, watching chemicals evaporate. And we'll get a drop of water, a drop of acetone, and a drop of rubbing alcohol and pentane. And what was the other one? Isopropyl alcohol? And so you can see that this goes. Now, every year the numbers are a little bit different because the room might be a little bit warmer, or it might be a little, colder. The drop might be a little bit bigger or smaller, but we should get the same ratios here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording and then come back when I have results for you. Okay, so now I have the results for you here, and they're pretty typical from what we've had in past classes. So when we were to, so you might want to weight this data table with these 5 compounds, and here the time for 1 drop of water to evaporate on this certain day, okay? And for water, I got bored. That drop of water is still there. It took over 3 minutes, and the drop of water did not completely evaporate, okay? The pentane was so fast, it was only like 10 or 15 seconds. So let's say 12 seconds, okay? 12 seconds. You started watching the acetone, and the acetone took about 45 seconds before it completely evaporated. Oh, shoot, I wrote that in the wrong spot. 45 seconds was acetone. The methanol took 1.5 minutes to evaporate. And the isopropyl alcohol took 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes, 20 seconds to evaporate. Now, getting the numbers is not all that important as getting the rank important, okay? So the fastest was pentane, second fastest acetone, third fastest methanol, fourth fastest isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and water was the slowest. These can help you as you go baby steps through intermolecular forces. Work on this throughout your lesson plan on Tuesday if you're in the blue group, or Thursday if you're in the white group. And just take your time on these, okay? Answer the questions, bring them with you. If it takes you more than an hour, then then maybe don't worry, don't stress about it, okay? You can give yourself a break. All right, we'll see you in class.